See, previously people used to laugh about snoring and never realized that it was a medical problem. Clearly, now we know that snoring could be a warning symptom of a problem called obstructive sleep apnea, often referred to as OSA or sleep apnea. So, what happens during sleep is as we get into deeper sleep, our body muscles relax. And when the muscles relax, the muscles around the breathing pipe, or what we call the upper airway, also relax. And therefore, the pipe becomes narrow. So, imagine now breathing through a smaller pipe. You will make a noise every time you breathe in or out. And depending on how much the pipe gets narrowed, the noise becomes louder and louder and louder until one stage where the pipe closes completely and there is no air moving to the lung and they stop breathing. And then suddenly wake up with a jerk, or when others are observing them, they would say that the snoring gets louder. Sometimes there is no snoring, and I even see them stop breathing. Okay? And the patient themselves, who are usually unaware of their snoring, might say, sometimes I'm aware of my own snoring and I wake up choking. And that's the period when they are having apnea. So when somebody is snoring, it is important to find out, is it just simple snoring or is it sleep apnea? Because whenever we have any obstruction, like when we have a common cold, our breathing is not normal and therefore you may snore, but that's a very temporary thing. Children may snore if they have enlarged tonsils, enlarged adenoids. So that's a different story. But in adults, often when they have snoring, it's important to find out whether this is simple snoring versus sleep apnea. And in sleep apnea, what most people would report is they will say, I have no problem sleeping. I go to bed on time, I wake up on time, but when I wake up, I don't feel fresh. It's often what we call a non-refreshing sleep. They wake up with a headache, or they wake up with irritability. They feel like, throughout the day, they feel fatigued, tired. So when they're sitting at work, they feel like sleeping. Sometimes when they're sitting and watching TV or reading a book, they would doze off. And it can get to a point where even when they have to concentrate, like when they are driving, they may feel sleepy, and it may lead to motor vehicle accidents. And if it is sleep apnea and it remains untreated, it can lead in the long run, it starts affecting the blood vessels and it can lead to blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, and stroke.